Sir, today's topic administrative law. This feels very conceptual. Rule of law, natural justice. But I want to understand how does this actually affect real estate and valuation practically? Very good question. Administrative law is actually very powerful in real estate. It governs how government authorities make decisions. And in property, government decisions directly impact land use, permissions, value. So for a valuer, this is highly practical. Sir, first, rule of law. What does it mean in simple terms? Rule of law means all actions must be based on law, not arbitrary decisions. So government cannot act randomly? Exactly. Every decision must have legal backing. Now, separation of powers. There are three branches. Legislature makes law, executive implements law, judiciary interprets law. So power is divided to avoid misuse? Correct. Then comes delegated legislation. This sounds important for real estate. Yes, government agencies like municipal authorities, RERA, planning bodies make rules such as zoning regulations, building bylaws. These directly impact property development. Now, natural justice. This sounds more ethical. Yes, but legally enforceable. Two main principles. 1. Audi alterum partem. Right to be heard. So, affected party must get chance to present case? Yes. 2. Nemo judex in causa sua. No one should be judge in own case. So, decision maker must be impartial? Exactly. No bias. So, if authority makes wrong decision, what happens? Courts can review administrative actions. 3 grounds. 1. Illegality. Decision beyond authority. So, acting outside powers? Yes. 2. Irrationality. Decision so unreasonable that no sensible person would make it. So, extreme unfairness? Correct. 3. Procedural impropriety. Not following proper procedure. Like not giving hearing? Exactly. Violation of natural justice. Now, this is most important. How does all this affect valuation? Very directly. Very directly. Government decisions like approval or rejection of building plans, zoning changes, environmental clearances, penalties can increase or decrease property value. So value depends not just on market but also permissions? Exactly. Valuer must check legal validity of use, whether permissions are proper, any risk of cancellation. So if approval is illegal or doubtful, value must be adjusted? Correct. Valuer must also identify arbitrary decisions, legal risks, possible challenges. So final understanding. Administrative law ensures fair government action, protects individuals through natural justice, and directly impacts property value through approvals and regulations. Perfect. Always remember, in real estate, value is not only market-driven, it is also law-driven through administrative decisions. Understood. This makes valuation more legally integrated. Yes, that is advanced professional understanding.